Hello students, I am sending this recording for the students those who have a doubt in this problem. So to begin with, equations of the form ax square plus bx plus c are quadratic, and quadratic equation can also be of this form. That is, it can be of the form ax square plus bx. Can you say me which term is missing here? Yeah, that's C. That is the third term. Third term is missing. As the degree is 2, the highest power is 2, so still this is a quadratic equation. So when you get a quadratic equation of this form, in which the last term is missing, you should not use splitting of middle term method. So the equation here is 4u square plus 8u equals to 0. What we can do here is, we can take 4u common. If I take 4u common from this, what remains in the bracket? U. And if I take 4u common from this, in the bracket remains 2. Multiply it again. 4u into u is 4u square, and 4u into 2 is 4 2 times 8u. So you get back your question again. Now, whenever you have two terms in multiplication, if I say a into b equals to 0, then either a should be 0 or b should be 0. This is called null factor law. What do we call it? Null factor law. Sorry for the handwriting because it's on the app. Fine. So this is called null factor law. Whenever a into b equals to 0, we'll write a equals to 0 or b equals to 0. Either a should be 0 or b should be 0. Now coming to our question, here also we have two factors for u and u plus 2. So for u equals to 0 or u plus 2 equals to 0. So u will be equals to 0 by 4 and u equals to minus 2. So 0 by 4 is nothing but 0. So u equals minus 2. Now these are our alpha and beta. What are our alpha and beta values here? U is equal to 0 and u equals to minus 2 are our zeros. So I'll take the first one as alpha and the second one as beta. Now from the equation, again comparing this equation, our equation with ax square plus bx plus c, if I do it in the rough column, our equation is 4u square plus 8u equals to 0. If I compare this with ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, what is coefficient of x square here? That is u square. A, that is 4. And what is coefficient of u in this? That is b, and here it is 8. And do we have c in this? C, no, c is missing, so c is 0. So this is the way you have to proceed. Coming back to our problem now, a is 4, b is 8, and c is 0. Now again, going to the same formula, sum of the roots and product of the roots. So sum of the roots formula, you all must remember this formula. Sum of the roots is nothing but minus b by a. Product of the roots is nothing but C by A. So what is alpha and beta? In our question, alpha is 0 and beta is minus 2. Substitute alpha and beta here. Alpha plus beta, 0 minus 2. And what is minus b by a? Minus b is 8 by a, that is 4. So when you divide this, you'll get minus 2 over here, and 0 minus 2 is minus 2. So sum is verified. Now coming to the product, alpha into beta, 0, alpha is 0 again, beta is minus 2. So 0 times minus 2 is 0, and C by A, 0 by 4 is 0. So whenever you have to verify the zeros and coefficients, you must use these two formulae. That is sum of the roots alpha plus beta, product of the roots alpha minus beta. Sorry, product of the roots, sum of the roots alpha plus beta equals minus b by a, alpha into beta is equal to c by a. These two formulae are used to verify the sum and product of roots. Hope it's clear to you. Now let's see another question of the same type. Now we have a question. The question is t square minus